The Boeing MH-139A Grey Wolf is a powerful twin-engine helicopter specifically designed to undertake any mission assigned by Major Command. As a versatile aircraft, the helicopter offers an array of capabilities, ranging from search and rescue and emergency security response for nuclear tasks to contingency response for the Air Force District of Washington. The MH-139A is based on the proven Leonardo AW139 helicopter, which has a track record of reliability and efficiency. Its military communication capabilities, navigation system, and enhanced survivability features make it the ultimate choice for any mission. Moreover, with its armored cockpit and cabin, missile warning and countermeasure system, two mounted M240s, and bolstered self-sealing fuel cells, the Grey Wolf is equipped to handle any situation. As such, it's no surprise that the MH-139A was selected to carry out one of the most delicate tasks across the U.S. Armed Forces. The ultimate multi-mission helicopter. More than just a helicopter, the Boeing MH-139A Grey Wolf is a multi-mission powerhouse with twin-engine capabilities and a wide range of supporting roles, depending on its assigned Major Command. Furthermore, it was primarily designed to protect intercontinental ballistic missile sites across the United States, as well as transporting government officials and security forces. The platform has become the direct replacement for the Air Force's aging fleet of UH-1N Huey helicopters. In fact, the Grey Wolf can cruise at speeds and distances 50% greater than the medium-sized Huey, with a 30% larger cabin and the capability to lift 5,000 additional pounds. However, it's not just about speed and capacity. The MH-139A also offers advanced capabilities such as search and rescue, emergency security response for nuclear security missions, contingency response, and airlift, among others. As versatile as it is, the helicopter can support multiple commands and missions, ranging from general operations support to medical evacuation. Ultimately, the Grey Wolf is not only affordable, reliable, and safe, but it is also a top choice for the U.S. government. Given that its design was based on Leonardo's proven AW139, with over 1,130 units currently in service around the world, Boeing has capitalized on a global supply network that includes more than 250 customers and 900 aircraft. This ensures the MH-139A is readily available and provides substantial lifecycle savings, resulting in over $1 billion across the helicopter's lifespan. With an extensive availability of rotorcraft parts and well-established worldwide support systems, the MH-139A is always ready for action, no matter where the mission takes it. Overall, the MH-139A Grey Wolf seamlessly combines performance, operational flexibility, and safety, making it the ultimate multi-mission helicopter. The right fit. The Grey Wolf's most notable feature is its unique design, which allows maintainers to perform all aircraft maintenance at the operational level. Consequently, keeping the Grey Wolf in peak condition is easier than ever. In addition to unparalleled performance, reliability, and mission readiness, the helicopter is equipped with an advanced condition-based maintenance system that ensures higher availability, improved maintainability, and guaranteed mission reliability. The helicopter also boasts world-class military and commercial systems integration capabilities, providing seamless and efficient operation in any environment. Plus, its integrated training system, based on existing AW139 operational flight trainers, simplifies the transition to the helicopter. An off-the-shelf, readily available solution, the MH-139A capitalizes on repurposed technologies from proven programs to ensure optimal performance. Nevertheless, the aircraft is also equipped with extra capabilities. The upgraded rotary wing aircraft features military communication capabilities, navigation, and enhanced survivability features, which include an armored cockpit and cabin, a missile warning and countermeasure system, and two mounted M240s, as well as reinforced self-sealing fuel cells. Initially, the aircraft was designed to achieve a 3-hour flight time, while cruising at 155 miles per hour without the need for refueling. Furthermore, it was intended for a crew of 9 personnel, equipped with all essential combat and security response gear. The Grey Wolf is a perfectly sized aircraft, optimized for maximum operational efficiency. Within its interior, the MH-139A is fitted with full autopilot capabilities and cutting-edge avionics with advanced flight deck functionality, providing enhanced situational awareness and thus reducing pilot and crew workload. In conclusion, the Grey Wolf not only meets, but arguably surpasses all U.S. Air Force requirements. As the industry giant stated, quote, "With unmatched systems integration, a state-of-the-art avionics system, and advanced flight deck functionality, the modern MH-139A provides unrivaled operational flexibility and performance that will serve the U.S. Air Force for decades to come." The Wolfpack. In 2019, the U.S. Air Force received its first 2 MH-139A helicopters for testing and evaluation, marking a new era of military mission capabilities. The testing was conducted by the 96th Test Wing's 413th Flight Test Squadron in conjunction with Detachment 7 at Duke Field, Florida. Maxwell Air Force Base in Alabama was chosen as the location to host the MH-139A Grey Wolf formal training unit, and the 908th Airlift Wing was entrusted with the mission in 2020. Since then, the unit has been eagerly awaiting the arrival of the Grey Wolf and strategically preparing for its integration. Following a successful first test flight in February of 2020, the Air Force took ownership of the helicopters and conducted the type's inaugural developmental flight in August of 2022, flown exclusively by Air Force aircrew. That November, the 908th Airlift Wing's unit training assembly offered an ideal opportunity for members to familiarize themselves with their incoming aircraft. The event brought together the MH-139A Grey Wolf from the 413th Flight Test Squadron in Duke Field, Florida, and 2 UH-1N Hueys from the 23rd Flying Training Squadron in Fort Rucker, Alabama. Members of the 908th Operations and Maintenance Groups were able to observe and interact with their future mission, fostering closer relationships with one another and the legacy they are now inheriting. As General Timothy Ray, the Air Force Global Strike Command leader who unveiled the Grey Wolf, emphasized, quote, "It strikes fear in the hearts of many. Its range is absolutely inherent to the intercontinental ballistic missile fields we have. As they hunt as a pack, they attack as one. They bring the force of many. That's exactly how you need to approach the nuclear security mission." The visit marked an exciting new chapter in the preparation to integrate the advanced capabilities of the MH-139A Grey Wolf into operation. A matter of security. With its state-of-the-art technology and unparalleled performance, the MH-139A embodies the apex of aviation engineering. The formidable machine is a testament to the skill and expertise of Leonardo and Boeing, who have joined forces to create something truly exceptional. The impressive capabilities of the MH-139A are a result of the dynamic partnership between these two industry giants, in which Leonardo constructs the multi-role civil-certified helicopter at its Northeast Philadelphia plant, while Boeing oversees military equipment procurement, installation, and post-delivery maintenance. In early March of 2023, Boeing and Leonardo announced the promising rotorcraft was finally ready to enter low-rate production. The first operational aircraft are poised to replace the current fleet of Hueys, which have been in service since 1970. However, the MH-139A is no ordinary helicopter, as it will provide top-tier security and support for one of the most crucial missions in the United States Armed Forces, protecting the nation's intercontinental ballistic missile fields spread across 5 states. Furthermore, the helicopter is an essential component of the U.S. Strategic Command's nuclear deterrence operations, aligning with the national defense strategy. In the words of Boeing MH-139 Program Director Azim Khan, quote, "This decision is a major step toward entering the MH-139 into service and providing the U.S. Air Force with additional missile security for decades. We are working diligently to begin deliveries next year." Thank you for watching Dark Tech. If you enjoyed our video, don't hesitate to give us a like and subscribe to the channel. With so many new technological advancements on the horizon, you won't want to miss out. And make sure to browse our other Dark Documentaries channels to stay up to date with many more exciting stories from modern warfare. Stay tuned.